Mitchell Blosky here with the ADU show. Today we're having a site kickoff meeting and we're going to walk you through some of the steps that we take. We have our project manager here, our superintendent, we have our concrete forms, our concrete company, our homeowner just received the permits. So let's see how we kick this project off. We're going to walk into the backyard and verify that everything matches the drawings to make sure there's no changes that have taken place since our initial site review. This will be the future home, the future location of our new ADU home. We start by marking the corners of the location of the ADU in relation to the existing home and the property line. We use long 100-foot tape measures to make sure that all the locations are correct. Once we have the overall dimensions laid out, we then identify the center of the home where the stub-ups for the utilities will be, as well as the center line for the counterbalances for the crane. We then use a shorter 30-foot tape measure to confirm the exact location of the corners and the exterior walls to double check the location on the drawings versus what's on site. We then use nylon construction string to start mapping out the exact trench for the utility lines. Once that nylon string is ran, we then spray paint the line to make it a little bit more permanent marking to show our men where to start digging for that trench. You see they have a nice little chicken coop here. We'll have to move that, and the same thing with the shed. And up here will be our electrical meter and panel, and then just behind that in the interior of the garage is the water heater. So this is where we'll be running those utilities. That panel had a little trouble getting back on, so I'll fix that in a little bit. Again, here's our future trench line, and at the end of it is where we'll meet our sewer line. So it's a pretty nice and easy, straightforward connection. The next steps are to start clearing off any debris or brush here, and we're going to start removing this smaller retaining wall and removing it in the next couple days and start building our own retaining wall. So that's how you lay out a site. We identified the utilities and their depths and locations for electrical, water, and sewer. We had our crane company out here to determine how long of a reach is required to lift and deliver the home. We have our concrete company out here confirming the retaining wall that we'll need, and our project manager to make sure that our setbacks are correct on our drawings, which you can see on this line here. And the property distance away from the fence, as well as separation of structures for the home and our new ADU. So I'm Mitch Blosky with the ADU show. That was a pretty nice, quick, easy, efficient site layout. And we'll see you in a couple days or a week or so for our next episode for our, when we start digging for the utilities and the retaining wall. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.